Okay, assalamualaikum. Yeah, look at my eyes. Anyway, look, alhamdulillah, we are traveling back to Perth tonight or this morning, and we decided to upgrade to business class. Alhamdulillah, we're in Emirates 380. We're in business class. Look, this is our seat. Let's see. What are you doing? Huh?
Hi. Thank you, Sam. Thank you.
How come you got the window seat again?
Thank you for upgrading our flight, 11-hour flight to business class. Alhamdulillah.
So
Thank you so much.
this is business class. So that's what it looks like. Have you drunk your water? You drank your obat already?
Yeah.
Dia bilang there's a lounge at the back there. You can go and visit. Panjang kaki ya? Oh, you can move your seat forward. I don't think that's a problem. So in the toilet, they've got tissues. It's like Singapore Airlines. They've got combs and toothbrushes. Combs and toothbrushes. Towels, and they've even got minyak wangi. Look. Look at that. So this is the lounge. Lounge area. Nice. Sleeping?
No.
Huh?
Hi.
Yeah. What are you doing? Bubuk there. Alright. Share their bubuk. Alright. So here we've got this big screen. Got a big screen there, and we also got a tablet on the side. Alright. So got a tablet here on the side. We've got our own drinks. Little stash here. You can plug in your ini here. PowerPoints. So, yeah, alhamdulillah. It's gonna be a long flight, so that's why we upgraded. So, yeah, why not? Emirates 380 Airbus. What did you get?
I don't know.
Gift bag. What's inside?
Bag. Yeah, all the essentials.
Yeah, they got it in the toilet.
Morning from the flight taxi captain speaking. My name is Hassan, joining me in the flight taxi.
Lipstick.
Terry,
Toothbrush,
due to the length of the
tissue.
Aren't you
flight,
lucky?
Captain Jeremy is also
Eh?
joining us.
Aren't you
We're
lucky
settling
girl?
comfort in the cabin. Cooler than Dubai. Temperature
Alright,
forecast
so the
around
guys get one as well?
15 degrees Celsius. Winds are from the south ranging between 5 and
And then we got goodies as well. Look, we got shaving foam. I got shaver razor blade. Got a comb, because I've got no hair at the moment. I got the Rexona deodorant. Got everything in here. It's like a travel. I might take this to Malaysia. Take this to Malaysia. So they give you socks and eye shades. Nina's putting her new socks on.
Menu for today's flight, so breakfast after takeoff and then dinner before we land. Did you want to see a copy of the wine list? You're okay?
You sure? Thank you so much.
There you go. Did you want to see the wine list?
No, it's okay.
You're
Thank you.
okay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So we've got the menu. Juice. Mocktail.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم سيداتي وسادة وصباحكم بكل خير. أهلا بكم على هذه الرحلة إلى بيرث بالتعاون مع كوانتس. نرحب جددا بكل أعضاء إيميريتس كاورز وأعضاء برنامج مسافر دائم لكوانتس. سيداتي وسادتي في حالة انعدام الضغط في المقصورة يرجى إزالة الكمامة إذا كنت في بلدة واحدة ووضع.
And this is it in Arabic.
What do you have for breakfast?
1,048 kilometers. They give you a hot towel. Hot towel, young.